I think House members would definitely be interested in refiling it, whichever mode it takes, no? Whether through the mode of going into the Committee on Justice, whether to the mode of going into plenary, through an automatic transmittal. Pagka naman ho, sure ka on evidence, sure ka on the justness of it, di ba? It shouldn't stop you from actually refiling it. Eh. So it stopped us today, but there's Feb 2026 anyway. So I'm quite sure that House members who are interested in exacting accountability will still refile it.
Pero sa pagtingin po ba ninyo mas parang better, which route is better, the Committee on Justice or given the new requirements given by the Supreme Court, how would you assess alin ng better route po?
I mean, it's at this point, it's a matter of tactics. No, we just have to agree on, is it a just thing to do? And I'm quite certain House members will say today that it is a just thing to do. So I think if it's a tactic of doing it through the Committee on Justice or doing it through the direct transmittal route, and syempre with the new Supreme Court proceeding, syempre may bago pong mga may bagong mga rekisito po na kailangan gawin. I think we will resolve it once we get to that point. No? Pero kung ano man yan, whether through the Committee on Justice or whether through plenary, the most important thing today is, and the most important question to the nation and to Congress is, kailangan bang may managot sa usapin po ng confidential funds? May kailangan po bang managot sa pagbabanta laban sa mga matataas na opisyal ng bansa? Kung ang sagot po doon ay oo, whether it is through the Committee on Justice or whether it is through plenary, gagawin po yung mga rekisitong kailangan pong gawin para po dito.